Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma source file locally on your computer. This is incredibly useful when you want to keep a backup of your design work or share files directly without relying on cloud access. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Figma application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your design files. Once Figma loads up, you'll see your dashboard with all your recent projects and files displayed. Now locate and open the specific file that you want to save locally. This could be any design project you've been working on, whether it's a website mockup, app interface, or any other creative work. Simply click on the file to open it in the Figma editor. Wait a moment for the file to fully load, as larger projects with multiple frames and components might take a bit longer to display completely. With your file now open in front of you, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the Figma icon there, which serves as your main menu access point. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select File. This is where all your file management options live, including saving, exporting, and sharing. In the File menu, you'll notice several options for working with your design. Look for the option that says Save Local Copy and click on it. This feature creates a .fig file that you can store directly on your computer's hard drive, giving you a complete copy of your design that you can access even without an internet connection. After clicking Save Local Copy, a dialog box will pop up prompting you to choose where you want to save the file. Here, you'll need to input the file name you want to use for this local copy. Choose a descriptive name that will help you easily identify this file later. You can also navigate to a specific folder on your computer where you'd like to store it, keeping your files organized. Once you've entered your desired file name and selected your preferred location, click the Save button. Figma will now process your request and create a local copy of your source file. Depending on the size and complexity of your design, this might take a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Figma source file locally on your computer. You now have a backup copy that you can access anytime, share with others directly, or use as a reference for future projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.